Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Airtable for custom CRM databases, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Airtable website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in your email address and create a password. Once registered, log into your Airtable account. In your dashboard, select Add a Base to start a new project. Choose Start from Scratch to build a custom CRM. Now, you are in the base editing interface. Begin by naming your base something relevant, like Custom CRM. Next, you'll see a default table. Rename this to Contacts. Add fields to this table by clicking on the column headings. For a CRM, consider fields like name, email, phone, and company. To add a new field, click on the plus icon next to the last column. Choose the appropriate field type for each column. For example, use single-line text for names and emails. Now, add another table by clicking on the plus next to your current table. Name this table Interactions. In this table, add fields such as date, type of interaction, and notes. Again, adjust the field types as needed. To create relationships between tables, use linked record fields. Go back to the Contacts table and add a new field. Select Link to another record and choose the Interactions table. This allows you to track interactions related to each contact. Once your database structure is ready, input sample data for testing. Click on any cell to enter data directly. To view your data in different formats, explore the grid, calendar, and gallery views. Set up different views by clicking the View dropdown. For collaboration, invite team members using the Share button. Enter their email addresses and set their permissions accordingly. You can also customize notifications within Airtable for updates on changes. For automation, explore the Automations tab in your base. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.